So let us start with exercise B. Before starting, there are a few formulas which you will need to know in exercise B. See, we did 8 to 9 formulas in exercise A. Those formulas will also be useful here. Apart from these, we will be introduced with 4 new formulas in exercise B. Now, what are those 4 new formulas? They are based on the cubes. Okay. So I will write those formulas, you copy them and try to by heart. I'm writing down the formulas, copy it down.
Sir, if in exam they ask the formula or any sum comes like this a plus b the whole cube, so can we write the formula that we used in the last chapter in the chapter factorization?
No, actually,
Why, sir?
in
Answer will come same only, no?
expansions, the formula which you are using is a little different. Why? In the end, both the formulas are same, but in expansions, this format needs to be followed, where you have a plus b, ab, a cube plus b cube, because they will give you the values of this in the question. For example, they may give you a plus b is 3. So you will have to put these values like this here. So
Okay,
that,
sir.
so the factorization formula will not give you this flexibility. But these formulas, they are made in such a way, they are arranged in such a way that you can substitute values here. So you have to use this one. I'll just read out the formulas once for all of you. See, a plus b, the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b in the bracket. Okay. Now for the negative formula, a minus b the whole cube, formula remains the same. All the sign changes. All the sign जो जहाँ जहाँ पे plus है, they become minus. You can see here, all the sign changes. सारी signs negative हो गए for the negative formula. Okay. Then a plus 1 upon a, the whole cube, is equals to a cube plus 1 upon a cube See, this formula and this formula is same. The only difference is that you can see here this AB is not there. Why? Because in the second case, if you multiply A into 1 upon A, they will get cancelled. So AB वाला term है वो यहाँ पे cancel हो जाता है. That is the only difference. Otherwise, both the formulas are same. Okay, and both are important. Then the next formula is also same, only the sign is different. Okay, and when can you use this formula? A plus 1 upon A. See, A plus 1 upon A, ये कब यूज कर सकते हैं? When the first term and the second term are reciprocal of each other. Okay, are reciprocal of each other. जैसे समझो अगर यहाँ पे 3 है और यहाँ पे 3 upon या 3 upon नहीं, let's say here you have x upon 3. So if you see the terms are not reciprocal of each other, terms different है. समझो अगर x है और 3 upon x है. Okay, so are these terms reciprocal of each other? x plus 3 upon x. आपको ऐसे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे x है और यहाँ पे 1 upon x है. या अगर मैं ऐसे लिख दूँ a plus 3 upon a. So this term and this term are not the reciprocal of each other. So यहाँ पे आप ये वाला फॉर्मूला नहीं यूज कर सकते. You have use the first formula a plus b वाला. ठीक है, ये कब यूज कर सकते हैं? जब समझो कुछ ऐसा है x plus 1 upon x. The terms are reciprocal of each other. So at this time only you can use this third and the fourth formula. Okay.
Sir, if it is a plus 3 upon a, then which formula?
A plus 3 upon a means this and this are the reciprocal of each other. रेसिप्रोकल नहीं है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे अगर रेसिप्रोकल कब होता है? जब ऐसे होता है a upon 3 3 upon a, ये होता है रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर. ठीक है, अगर रेसिप्रोकल नहीं है तो आप फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे हमेशा, फर्स्ट सेकंड, हमेशा फर्स्ट सेकंड. ओनली इफ द टर्म्स आर रेसिप्रोकल देन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ.
Sir, and so your voice is coming a little low.
हेलो, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? हेलो.
Sir, it's clear, but it is low.
हेलो. I am speaking with my full voice actually. Is everyone else able to listen to my voice? Is my voice clear to everyone else? Yes. Correct. Sharif, Saad, Sheet. Everyone is saying yes. Yes, Krishna.
Sir, your voice is coming perfect.
Okay. So, 2-3 students are facing low voice issue. Just please, I'll also try to talk a little louder, and you also be in a good connection. Make sure your connection is good and your phone volume is full. So I hope the formulas are clear. We can start with the exercise. Exercise 3B. Question number 1, expand. Here, the first question is 2a plus 3b the whole cube. Two a plus 3b the whole cube. Okay, so this is nothing but you can say a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube से इसको compare करेंगे, ठीक है? What is the formula for a plus b the whole cube? It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, so मेरा a क्या है यहाँ पे? My a here is 2a and my b is 3b. Okay, so a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube. A cube means 2a का cube plus b cube means 3b cube. यहाँ पे जहाँ जहाँ पे a है I will put 2a और जहाँ जहाँ पे b है I will put 3b. Okay, value putting, that's it. 3 2a into 3b in the bracket 2a plus 3b. Now I will simplify this, so it will become 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. AB in the bracket 2a plus 3b. Now in the last step, open the brackets because you are expanding, na? So open these brackets. So 18 into 2 is 36, a square b plus 18 3s are 54, ab square. Any doubts here, anyone? Copy it neatly step by step.
So in the second step, a cube plus b cube, why you took 3 common and 2a and 3b?
I didn't take anything common. This 3 is already here.
Okay, sir.
In the place of a, there is 2a. B, there is 3b. Next. Next one is the same. Sub question 2. 5a plus 4b the whole cube. Again, I will use the formula a plus b the whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay. Now in the place of a cube, a क्या है यहाँ पे हमारा? My a is 5a, मतलब first term is 5a and second term is 4b. Okay. So 5a cube plus 4b cube plus 3 5a 4b into 5a plus 4b. Simplify this, you will get the answer. 60AB into 4B. So 60 into 4 is 240. AB into B is AB square. Okay. Next question is 2a plus 1 upon a the whole cube. 2a plus 2a plus 1 upon a the whole cube. Now in this 2a plus 1 upon a the whole cube, which formula should I use? Should I use a plus b the whole cube, or I should use a plus 1 upon a the whole cube?
Sir, a plus 1 upon a.
Why a plus 1 upon a, Ali?
No, sir. Normal.
Why normal?
A.
Reason, now.
Sir, because it is not reciprocal.
Very good. So see, here a and 1 upon a are reciprocal of each other, but here there is 2a and here there is 1 upon a. अगर यहाँ पे 1 upon 2a होता, तो they would be reciprocal of each other, but that is not so. Okay. So I will use this formula only here, which I used in the previous sum. Okay, all of you, I hope all of you are able to understand कि कब कौन सा formula use करना है. Okay. Next. So see question, I'll explain once again. Question को देखो, ये जो first term है और ये जो second term है, are they reciprocal of each other? क्या 2a का उल्टा 1 upon a होता है? नहीं, 2a का उल्टा होता है 1 upon 2a. अगर 2a plus 1 upon 2a होता तो मैं वो वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करता, a plus 1 upon a. ओके, बट ऐसा नहीं है. Here you have 2a plus 1 upon a, means these terms are not reciprocal of each other. If they are not the reciprocal of each other, you use the normal formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. Okay, Latish? Yes, Ali.
Sir, I wanted to tell the next step.
Next sum. Wait, let me complete this. So here a plus b the whole cube, in the place of a plus b the whole cube, I'll put the values. Okay. So a cube matlab 2a the whole cube. Okay. B cube means
1 upon a whole cube
1 upon a whole cube plus
plus 3 into a into 1 upon a
okay,
into 2a plus 1 upon a.
2a plus 1 upon a. Okay. Now what is 2a cube?
8a cube
8a cube plus
1 upon a cube
1 upon a cube plus.
3 to the 6.
What about this a and this
A and a
a?
cancel. A and a cancel.
A and a will get cancelled. Very good.
6.
Now,
Plus
6.
6. And once again, a and a will cancel.
Which a and a? This and this?
Yes.
No, this will not cancel because
No,
there is a
sir,
plus
sir,
sign
he
in
is
between.
telling, yes, sir. After doing cross multiplication, we will get 2a square upon a. So afterwards, then
No,
that
no.
a.
We don't need to do cross multiplication also.
So what should we
Nothing.
do?
You just have to open the brackets. That's it.
Okay, sir.
You will just open the brackets. That means 8a cube plus a cube. Open the brackets. So it will become 12a plus 6 into 1 is 6 upon a. This is your answer.
Sir, after taking the LCM of everything, then we can cancel now.
But you don't need to take LCM here. You have to just expand. So expand
Yes,
कर
sir.
लिया सब कुछ, फिर बस we have to stop here.
Okay, sir.
Next, now the question where there is a negative sign. So the fourth one has a negative sign. 5a minus 3b the whole cube. 5a minus 3b the whole cube. I hope all of you have copied the sum. कोई पीछे तो नहीं है? If you are still copying, you can message me in the chat box. I'll wait for you. Okay? But maintain your speed. Try to understand it. Keep writing along with me. See, 5a minus 3b the whole cube. So here the formula will be a minus b the whole cube. And all the signs will become minus. Means a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, now a cube in the place of a, I will write 5a. In the place of b, I will write 3b because 5a is my first term and 3b is my second term. Okay, so yes, Krishna.
Sir, in the place of 3AB, we have to write minus 3B or plus 3B in here. In this step, minus 3AB.
Minus 3ab है ना?
नहीं, अभी हम जब ऐसे मतलब एक्सपेंड करेंगे मतलब माइनस मतलब 3A इंटू 5A माइनस, तो 3A इंटू 3B तो वो माइनस लिखना है कि प्लस?
अच्छा, ये ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगे तब?
हाँ.
हाँ, तो ये वाले माइनस और ये माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा.
ओके. नहीं, उधर 3A इंटू 5A इंटू 3B में.
यहाँ पे तो प्लस साइन है ही नहीं ना. ये तीनों एक ही चीज है, ये तीनों एक ही टर्म है. इनमें सिर्फ
तो उधर
मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगी.
माइनस नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वो क्वेश्चन में तो माइनस है ना.
नहीं, वो माइनस देखो, आपने अगर a माइनस बी का फॉर्मूला यूज कर दिया है तो आपको ये b के साथ इस माइनस साइन को कंसीडर नहीं करना होता है, क्योंकि आपने फॉर्मूला ले लिया ना a माइनस बी, तो ये माइनस साइन कंसीडर हो गई फॉर्मूला में.
ओके सर.
आपको वापस b के साथ उस माइनस साइन को नहीं लेना है समझ. समझ रहे हो? मतलब आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते क्वेश्चन को. आपने मतलब क्या किया, a माइनस बी है, ठीक है, बट आप उसको कंसिडर कर रहे हो a माइनस माइनस बी. आप इसको ऐसा क्वेश्चन समझ रहे हो कि मैं a की जगह पे a लूंगा और b की जगह पे माइनस बी लूंगा, तो इससे क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया. ऐसा नहीं करना, ठीक है. माइनस साइन आपने ले ली है, फॉर्मूला माइनस का यूज किया है, तो 3b के साथ माइनस साइन विल नॉट कम. Now 3b the whole cube is 27b cube. Minus 3 5s are 15. 15 3s are 45. So this is 45ab into 5a minus 3b. So 125a cube minus 27b cube minus 45 into 5 is 225ab minus minus plus 45 into 3 is 135. A square b will come here and 135 ab square. This will be your answer. Okay, done. Now, question number 5th, sub-question 5th and sub-question 6th. I want you to do it for homework because they are same as the questions we have already done. These two questions will be homework for you. Sub-question 5 and sub-question 6. Sub-question 7, I will do it now. Now, sub 5ab plus 2 the whole cube. So again, I will use the formula a plus b the whole cube. Krishna, keep yourself mute. Don't keep singing songs. A plus b the whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay. Now, what is my a here? First term is 5ab and second term is 2. So 5ab the whole cube plus 2 the whole cube plus 3 5ab into 2 into 5ab plus 2. Now 5 cube is 125. A cube, a ka cube and b ka cube will be a cube b cube plus 2 cube is 8. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 2 is 30. AB into 5ab plus 2. 125 a cube b cube plus 8 plus, now open the brackets. So 30ab will get multiplied with 5ab. So 30 into 5 is 50. AB into AB will become a square b square. Correct? A into a square, b into b square. Plus 30ab into 2 will be 60ab. Done, all of you?
Sir, which sum are we doing now?
I'll tell. Wait.
No, sir, sixth sum or the fifth one or the eighth one. Which sum? Like,
Fifth one is homework. Sixth is also homework.
so which was the sixth one?
I did not write the question here. You just write the numbers and later on,
Okay, sir.
when you get the book, solve it.
Okay, sir.
The sub-question 8 will also be homework because it is same as 7. एकदम same है. ठीक है? The question is 3 minus 4ab the whole cube. एकदम simple question है. ठीक है? First term is 3, second term is 4ab. Okay? we will do question number sub question 9.
सर ये चैप्टर का भी होगा एग्जाम, मतलब
सब
ये एक्सरसाइज
yes,
इसका भी एग्जाम?
yes.
ओके सर.
Now, here in the sub question 9, which formula should I use? Should I use this formula a plus b the whole cube, or should I use a plus 1 upon a the whole cube? A plus 1 upon a the whole cube. ये use करना चाहिए. Yes. Ali, Saksham, Krishna, Veer. Someone else give me the answer. These students are always giving answers. Some new student, or I will ask someone randomly. Yes, Heath Sadali.
Sir, a plus b the whole cube should be used.
Okay.
The numbers are not reciprocals of themselves.
Yes, numbers are not reciprocal of each other. Okay. So here, this number, first term and the second term, they are not reciprocal of each other. So that means I will use a plus b the whole cube. Okay. So I will write the formula once again. A plus b the whole cube equals, every time whenever you solve the sum, especially in the exam, you have to write the formulas. So a cube is 3x upon 4 the whole cube plus 2y upon 5 the whole cube plus 3 into 3x upon 4 into 2y upon 5 in the bracket 3x upon 4 plus 2y upon 5. Now simplify this. 3x upon 4 the whole cube will be 27x cube upon 64, because 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. Two y upon 5 the whole cube. 2y cube is 8y cube. 5 cube is 125 plus. Now see here, ये तीनों टर्म को सॉल्व करने में ध्यान देना है, ठीक है? Pay attention here. So, is there any cancellation possible here? So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Otherwise, if you don't want to do the calculation now, you first multiply them. पहले उनको multiply कर दो. So numerators will get multiplied. 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18. So you will get 18xy upon 4 fives are 20. So 20 will come in the bracket 3x upon 4 plus 2y upon 5. Okay. Now you do the cancellation. 18 upon 20 को cancel कर सकते हैं. So 2 9s are and 2 10s are. Okay. So 27x cube upon 64 plus 8y cube upon 125 minus, this is 9 upon 10 in the bracket 3x plus 4 plus 2y upon 5. Okay. Now, and there is xy also here. Just a second. With 9, there is xy also. Yes, any doubt?
सर आपने माइनस क्यों डाला उसके बाद, वो स्टेप के बाद 27x क्यूब?
Right, stick.
और सर सर सर
Yes.
ये इधर मतलब 18xy upon 20, so how can we cancel it, because there is xy there one.
नहीं नहीं, सी, ये जो फ्रैक्शन है, समझो अगर ऐसा है ना, 18xy/20 है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ऊपर कोई प्लस या माइनस साइन नहीं है। अगर ये ऐसा होता ना 18 + xy/20 तो नहीं कर सकते थे, या ऐसा होता 18x + y/20 तो भी नहीं कर सकते थे, बट मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है ना सब कुछ 18xy, तो आप कर सकते हो कैंसिल। और ये भी याद रखना कि आप इस 18 को इस नंबर के साथ या इस नंबर के साथ कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ उसके ही नीचे वाले से कर सकते हैं। नाउ वी विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स। केयरफुली यू हैव टू ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स, ठीक है। अब सी, व्हेन यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस फ्रैक्शन विद दिस फ्रैक्शन, इन दोनों फ्रैक्शन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, करेक्ट। So numerator will multiply with numerator and denominator will multiply with the denominator. Okay, so 9 into 3 will give me 27. xy into x will give me x square y upon 10 fours are 40. Okay, plus now this fraction will get multiplied with the second term 2y upon 5. So 9xy upon 10 will get multiplied with 2y upon 5. So again numerator with numerator. 9 2s are 18 xy square upon 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. Now 18 upon 50 here. Yes, any doubt here?
Sir, 18 upon 50 can also be cancelled
Yes,
further.
yes. Yes, yes. We are doing that. So this 18 upon 50 can also be cancelled. Yes. So my final answer will be 27x cube upon 64 plus 8y cube upon 125 plus 27x square y upon 40 plus 2 9s are 225s are. So I will have 9xy square upon 25. Copy it carefully, students. This is a little lengthy sum, 2 3 extra steps. Copy it carefully.
So if you want, we can cancel 8 and 64. Yes, sir, this one.
Hello. Which I think I was on mute. Yeah. So 8 and 64, this was the question. I think 8 and 64 cannot be cancelled because there is a plus sign in between. You cannot cancel them. Okay, I think all of you have copied the sum. So we can move to the next sum. Okay, I'll clear the screen. Nth one, the question is 3x minus 1 upon 3x, the whole cube. Now this is a special sum. Why? Because you can see 3x, 1 upon 3x. The terms are reciprocal of each other. The first and the second term are reciprocal of each other. That means I can use the formula, and there is a negative sign in between. So I can use the formula a minus 1 upon a, the whole cube. That is a cube minus 1 upon a cube minus 3a minus 1 upon a. This formula. Okay. So my a is 3x and 1 upon a is 1 upon 3x. So let's substitute here. A cube means 3x cube. 1 upon a cube means 1 upon 3x cube minus 3x minus 1 upon 3x. Three x cube is 27x cube minus, now open the brackets, 3 into 3x will give me 9x. Okay, and then minus 3 into minus 1 upon 3x. First of all, this minus minus will become plus. ये 3 जो है ये सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 3 into 1 will give me 3 upon 3x. Okay, so now I can also cancel this 3 and 3 ऊपर नीचे. So my final answer will be 27x cube minus 1 upon 27x cube minus 9x plus 1 upon x. This is my final answer. Done, all of you? We can start with the question number 2 quickly. This is the question number 2. They have given a plus b is 6, ab is 8, find a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ आ गया, तो you will directly use the formula a plus b the whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. जब भी आप वैल्यूज पुट करते हो तो यू हैव टू यूज द एंटायर फॉर्मूला, पूरा, ठीक है। इस पूरे फॉर्मूला में आई विल पुट द वैल्यूज। कैसे पुट करूंगा वैल्यूज? a प्लस बी 6, अब यहाँ पे a प्लस बी कहाँ दिख रहा है मुझे? हियर इज a प्लस बी एंड हियर इज a प्लस बी, सो इन दीज टू प्लेसेस आई विल पुट 6, करेक्ट। देन ab is 8, so where is ab here? Here is ab, so ab की जगह पे I will put 8. Substitute. You have to find a cube plus b cube. In the place of a plus b I will write 6. 6 cube is 216. 8 threes are 24. 24 into 6. What is 24 into 6? This is my final answer. I have got the value of a cube plus b cube. Understood? बाकी सब चीज की वैल्यू पुट की, a cube plus b cube को हमने फाइंड कर लिया. Okay, any doubts in this sum? Solve the sub question 2. It is same to same sum, only the values are different. Put the values. This is the second sum. Put the values. Find the value of a cube plus b cube. Come on, fast. Correct Dhairya, correct Meg. So when you subtract this, you will get 152. This is your answer. Solve all of you, you should get the same answer. As soon as you get the answer, you send me in the chat box so I can see you have done it correctly. Veer, Arey, Naitik, correct, correct. Akshal also correct. Okay. See, in the next sum, sub question 3, you have to be a little careful. See, इसके पहले वाले सम्स में क्या था? That a plus b दिया हुआ था, ab दिया हुआ था, ठीक है? बट यहाँ अगर आप ध्यान दो तो they have given you 2x plus 3y. ओके, सो 2x आपका a बन जाता है, 3x आपका b बन जाता है, ठीक है? बट वो वैल्यू आपको सिर्फ xy की देते हैं, सिर्फ xy की आपको देना चाहिए 2x इंटू 3y की वैल्यू देनी चाहिए, बट सिर्फ xy की देते हैं. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल इन द व्हाइल पुटिंग इट इन द फॉर्मूला. कैसे हमें केयरफुल लेना है? सी, ये फॉर्मूला है आपका, ठीक है? दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला. I'll keep the formula as it is because the formula remains the same. ठीक है, ये है फॉर्मूला. a plus b the whole cube plus a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. So here you substitute the values of a and b first. a क्या है 2x और b क्या है 3y. तो वो पुट करो पहले यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So you will get 2x plus 3y the whole cube equals a की जगह पे you put 2x cube plus b की जगह पे 3y cube plus 3 into 2x into 3y into 2x plus 3y. ओके, मैंने वैल्यूज पुट की, ठीक है? नाउ आई नो द वैल्यू ऑफ 2x plus 3y. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? 10. सो यहाँ पे मैं पुट कर दूंगा 10. ओके, 2x cube is 8x cube, 3y cube is 27y cube. Okay, here the numbers will multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18xy. In the bracket you have 2x plus 3y again. So 2x plus 3y क्या है? 10. 8x cube plus 27y cube जरूरी था because वही हमें ढूंढना है. Okay, and now you know the value of xy. xy 4 है, तो सिर्फ xy की जगह पे you will put 4. Eight x cube plus 27y cube plus 18 fours are 72 into 10, 720. So 1000 minus 720 is 8x cube plus 27y cube. So this will give me 280 equals 8x cube plus 27y cube. So 8x cube plus 27y cube equals 280. Final answer. Understood all of you? Any doubt?
Sir,
Which step are you confused? This
sir,
first step,
this 10, sir, down, that down. 10, how come 10?
this 10.
Yes, sir.
See, ये 2x plus 3y जो है इसकी वैल्यू हमें पता है 10 है. जैसे यहाँ पे 10 कैसे आया था? यहाँ पे जहाँ पे भी 2x plus 3y है, there I will put the value 10. Understood? ये 10
Yes,
दिया हुआ है.
sir.
हाँ, और फिर ये एक्स वाई तो आपको पता है यहाँ पे एक्स वाई दिया हुआ है 4, सो उसको वहाँ पे 4 पुट किया.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Anyone? So we have completed the question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 3 we will start in the next class. Okay. We'll stop here for today.